just got home from, what is the place? Gallagher's? No, Callahan's. And we got some new pets.
I feel like he's trying to eat a rock.
They're definitely she's.
Oh yeah, she.
Anyways, so we got chickens! The chicken coops. We just put the chicken wire on top of the chicken coop so that they can't jump out, and now we're actually creating their roosting boxes. Right now we are putting the chicken coop together. We are just making the, looks like side and bottom, or bottom and side, or something, maybe even the top. Making a box, that's what we're doing. We're making a box. So he's drilling in holes right here, and this is going to be the inside of the chicken coop, obviously. So here we go. So our first, what are they called? Roosting boxes. We got 4 of them in here. We're gonna put some hay in there. You're gonna be able to lay eggs.
Not much, but
It'll do. We just gotta make sure that we get a top on it. Well, not like a rain-proof top. All right, so we finished setting up the coop. Here is where they are going to nest, right?
I think so. Or roost. Nest and roost.
This is where they're going to nest, and this is where they're going to roost. I googled what the difference is. Roosting is where they sleep. Nesting is where they have eggs. So here's our chickens. We're trying to figure out names for them. This one right here is Joey. And that's it so far. So yeah. Are you excited to have chickens?
I'm super excited.
We're going to have eggs. We got their food down here, their water. We have shelter for them, both below, above, and then a little thing right here for them to sleep in. We got them a heat lamp just in case it gets too cold. A little place for them to lay their eggs in here. So yeah. These are our chickens.